Today we're going to be making a tray for the car that will house a Lego sheet in the middle. What my daughter used to do is hot glue a panel to here, but every time she opened it and this flexed, the hot glue would release and the panel would pop off. Here's the tile. So what I'm going to do is put this down and trace around it. That way I can build my box kind of on the table and have a visual aid at the same time. And what I want to do is inlay the bottom into the frame, and then I'll stick the tile on. So we'll start by cutting the outside frame. So two things I like to do before I cut my miters is, first of all, make a test to make sure my blade's not going to hit anything like my fence. And then also I like to just double check the angle. Alright, now we'll test fit the box just to make sure everything fits together well. And then we'll take this over to the table saw and we'll just notch out a little bit for the base here. Looks good, looks good. And then this should fit right in. Perfect. Alright, let's take it to the table saw. And then what I need to do is cut another piece of backer board that will then fit in between here, like so. So what I'll do is I'll glue this together. And right now just get measurements for that board. So I need 10 5/8, and this should be the exact same 10 5/8. Yes. There we go, like a glove. So that'll stay, like so. We'll drop this in, peel and stick, and then that's what our finished product will look like. A Lego box where the kids can then build stuff in the car and then keep it from sliding all around. And what I'll probably do is cut this in half now to make two boxes out of the same wood. I don't think we need that much of a lip for this here for the kids. What I'll do is I'll add a couple weights.